Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Anand Pawar.
Okay, Anand, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anand Pawar. I am from Gulbarga, Karnataka, but currently living in Hyderabad. I have completed my MBA in Gulbarga University in year 2023. Coming to my strength, I am quick learner and hard worker. I have couples of hobbies. I love to play cricket and watch current affair news. IT skills, I am good at manual testing and automation testing. My short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can gain experience and improve my skills. My long term goal is to be in a best position where I work. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
What are your technical skills?
Sir,
Manual testing and automation, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, explain SDLC.
SDLC refers to software development life cycle. It is a process to develop an software application. Here, client come in the form of SRS, where BA converts SRS into CRS. BA is a business analyst. He is the mediator between customer and the software company. First, they gather the requirement. After that, they analyze the requirement. After that, they will send to the design team, where design team will design the application. Then there are two types: low level design and high level design. High level design refers to it is just like a blueprint where the external specification of application is shown. In a low level design, internal specification of application is shown. After design completed, its application is sent to the developer will write the program source of code to the application. Once the complete of program, they will send to the testing team, where the testing team will test the application from various method. If they find any defect in that, they will send back to the developer. If developer accept the defect, then it is a bug. Once after they complete the code, once they fix the bug, they will send back to the tester team. After that, there will be installation process where the customer sees the application, whether ensures that whether it is working properly or not. After that, if they find any issues, they will contact to the maintenance team. Some maintenance will be free and some maintenance will be cost.
Okay, fine, Anand. Can you explain what are the types of testing?
There are two types of testing. One is manual testing and another one is automation testing. In manual testing, we test the application without any help of tool. In automation testing, we test the application with the help of tools.
Okay, what is black box testing?
Of testing, here the developer and tester both test
Okay, why testing is important?
things that what they have written source of code. They will have an overconfident that they have not made any mistake. Because of that, the end user will face the problem. They will find issues in the application. Because of this, we need tester. But testing is important.
Okay, testing is it mandatory for every application?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the models in the SDLC?
There are seven types of model: waterfall model, spiral model, hybrid model, V and V model, agile model, and derived model.
Okay, fine. When we will go for waterfall model?
Sir, when the client come with a clear requirement, then we will go for the waterfall model.
Okay, then when we will go for spiral model?
Sir, when the client come with a requirement by part to part, then we will go for the spiral model, sir.
Okay, then when we will go for prototype model?
Sir, when the customer or the client is in confused whether the application will work or not, then we will. It's like a non-working application. First, in this model, we will do the. It's like a dummy project. When the clients are confused about the requirement, then we will go for the prototype model, sir.
Okay, when we will go for agile model?
Sir, when the client need an high quality application, then we will go for the agile models.
Okay, tell me the difference between QA and QC.
Sir, QA stands for quality assurance. QC stands for quality control. QA, it is a verification process. It is a validation process. It is a project oriented. It preventive oriented. It is a project oriented. It involves static testing. It involves dynamic testing. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What is scenario?
Scenario means testing an application in the possible way. in scenario there are two types. One is positive scenario, another one is negative. In positive, when you input a valid data and the result will come positive, then it is a positive scenario. In negative scenario, when you put negative, when you input a negative or invalid data, when the result is unaccepted, then it is a negative scenario.
Okay, fine. So for every application also positive and negative scenario, is it mandatory?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I able to write that only positive scenario?
No, sir.
Can I, who will write that scenarios? Test engineers or developers?
Test engineers will write the scenarios.
Okay, then who will find the defects? Test engineers or developers?
Test in both, sir.
Okay, both they will find out. No ma. In an application only, while the test engineers are testing the application, right? At that time only they can able to find the defects. Kana mostly the defects will be found only in the application. Kana in the developer section only they can able to find the errors. Errors are occurred in the only in the source code of an application. Kana errors it will be occurred in the only source code of an application. But in an application as a test engineer they are able to find that only defects and bugs. They are not able to find the errors.
Errors.
Okay, na? Only in the defects will be found only in the application. Defects will be found by the only by the test engineers only. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you able to write that scenarios on pen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write the scenarios on pen.
Sir.
That's it. Okay. While coming on next time, so prepare well for the mock. Okay. Okay. And we have a little bit drawbacks on the testing. So please improve your communication skills and as well as what are the concepts you don't know, and make sure that you need to improve in that concepts. Okay. And while you are facing the any interviews also, don't feel fear.
Okay.
Just make sure that you need to tell us a confidence. Just if you are going for the any interviews also, the interviewer first they can check that what is your confidence levels.
Okay.
Okay, if you are good in the confidence levels, then definitely you will crack the any interviews also.
Okay.
Okay, that's it, Anand. Okay.